Earth 1610 has a Spider-Man known as Miles Morales, but before him was the one and only Peter Parker, who took on the mantle of Spider-Man and was alone until Miles Morales was bitten by a radioactive spider. Now sadly he passes Into the Spiderverse, but today we're going to be building him in his last battle. So obviously his suit is a bit battle damaged, and to get this effect we will be using Spider-Man from the CMF series. We will need the skirt of Wonder Woman, and we're only going to be taking one leg, which is right here. We're going to be using the classic Spider-Man torso. This will be found in a lot of sets. It's very common. You can switch, it doesn't matter what arm has a bare arm, and I got mine from Hawkeye because he doesn't have sleeves. And then his face, I actually used Hawkeye as well. And now you're thinking that looks terrible. That doesn't look like him at all. I'm going to use this side of the face where he's angry because he's in a battle, and really light hair. And there you go. This hairpiece is pretty common. You can find it on many minifigures. And that is my Peter Parker from Earth 1610. And this is the final battle.